I don't like the junk in the background, but that's okay. Okay, just thought I'd put together a video of random facts. Okay, so let's go. Basic. It has to be quiet when I go to bed, or else I'll stay awake. My younger brother's bedroom is right next to mine, and he has a thing called Xbox Live. He plays that all the time, and it gets loud and annoying. It makes me mad. Niche, my bedroom also has to be dark. This way. I'm a germaphobe. Well, not quite like Howie Mandel, but if you're sick, don't come near me, don't touch me, just don't breathe around me. I hate being sick. I'm miserable when I get sick. I'm a drama queen when I get sick. Newen, I'm fearless when it comes to big rides like theme parks. Nanan. Apparently I roll my eyes all the time. I've had a lot of friends come up, just stop mid-conversation when they're talking to me. They're like, why are you rolling your eyes? They get so offended. But it's because I wear contacts, and sorry if you're offended. I don't mean to roll. 6. I hate snakes. Hate them. I cry at the sight of them, even if they're on TV. When they threw a king cobra snake in that trailer and locked Bam Margera in there, I felt his pain. I seriously started crying with him. 7. I'm scared of the dark. Kind of funny since I have to be in the dark when I go to sleep. But yeah, I feel safer in the dark, but I'm scared of the dark. 8. I don't like needles. And when I got my belly button pierced, I fainted. Embarrassing. 9. I don't know what I want to do with my life, but I know I'm not going into the medical field. 10. I bake cakes. I'm the cake biatch.